So here is our 2004 Safeboat Defender. So here's the new one. I ordered it through Safeboat. Just call Safeboat parts and service, and they'll know exactly what size you need. So there's our sender here. Comes with a so that's the size of it if you need to order it from somewhere else, if you find it cheaper. But it's calibrated 17 Wema Fuel Sending Unit for a Safeboat Defender 25-foot RBS. Okay, we have a Safeboat 2004 Safeboat Defender 25-foot. We need to change the fuel sender, and it was really difficult to get it out. There's our fuel sender. I got a big old wrench. I couldn't do it by hand, but we came up with the idea, just lay a 2x4 and a hatch or a pulley out from the hatch, and someone pull on there while someone steps here and pushes. We got it to turn. Okay, so there's our system there. We already loosened it up with that strap, and we're slowly just pulling it out. It's pulling up some corrosion stuff here, but I'll just wire brush it and clean it up a little bit.